Hello and welcome to ET Now. Today in this special conversation, I am joined by MD and CEO of SBI General Insurance Company, Sri Naveen Chandra Jha. Thank you so much, sir, for talking to ET Now. Just to begin with, I just want to understand during this ongoing tension in the border tension. Now IPL has been suspended. A new decision will be taken regarding the IPL matches going ahead. And I believe that your company has also given a coverage for IPL matches. So can you just brief us how the coverage is there for IPL matches? Have you given this coverage to the BCCI or to individual franchisee? How big is the coverage and how that is beneficial for overall ecosystem?
Thank you, Anurag. IPL coverage, as far as is concerned, this time we have given directly to franchisees. Two franchisees we have given IPL coverage, and that is for both political violence and non-political violence also. Non-political violence is same. If injuries or anything happens, if there is no ball played into a match, it has to be covered by us. And political violence, which is more relevant now, it covers terrorism, act of war, threat of terrorism. All these things are covered there. So our business is a business of risk. We have to take care of risk. So IPL, this time we have not covered. This time IPL coverage has been done as per the franchisee, as far as we are concerned. Also, we came to know that Jio Hotstar has also taken some coverage, but there we are not part of that coverage. So it is we have given a coverage, and we have also taken good reinsurance cover out of it. And it is one of the major events of our country with so much energy all across our country. So it has to be covered, and we are happy that we are here.
So if we talk about the premium and sum assured, so can you give us some idea how the premium and sum assured varies? How big is the sum assured, and in that sum assured, what all you really cover? You said that if there is an event get cancelled, then that risk will be covered. Apart from that, what all comes under the IPL insurance coverage?
A normal coverage is like if there is, suppose there is rain or something happens, no ball, not a single ball is bowled. So the kind of revenue loss on account of your advertisement or other things, suppose some player get injured, especially foreign players, then it is also covered. And especially political violence is also covered, and coverage is a huge amount. Exact cover I can't state, but it is around 100 crore kind of thing for political and non-political, both kind of coverage. And everything, for any kind of thing, if the match is not played or it is not getting, suppose right now we can say that it has been suspended. If it is not restarted, then it is covered. If it is again restart as told by BCCI, then obviously there is no need for that cover. So a lot of things, it has to take care of the interest of the franchisee.
Okay.
But it is franchisee wise.
You said that sum assured is more than 100 crores also. So what kind of reinsurance support you need for such a big insurance coverage?
No, insurance, in insurance line, every big coverage has to be come with reinsurance. So generally it is exact, I don't know, but it is, the reinsurance is, it is heavily reinsured, and 4% has to go to GIC as per the regulator's guideline. So most of the such kind of coverage is reinsured. All the insurance companies in India, we generally don't take such kind of huge risk without having the reinsurance coverage. So it must be there, it is there, and we hope that neither insurance company nor the reinsurance have to pay, and people should enjoy the IPL.
And sir, this is first time you have given the insurance coverage for IPL, or from last few years you are covering the IPL franchisees?
No, earlier also we had covered. But generally it used to be taken one cover by BCCI. This time franchisee have taken their individual cover. That also home, if they are playing at home, coverage is more. If they are playing outside their own home ground, then coverage is less, because as per the loss assessment for the franchisee. But it has been earlier also, it has been covered, and SBI General has participated in earlier years also.
Now I'll come to your company's performance in this FY25. We have seen that your gross premium has grown by 11%. Do you think that that could have been more, your growth would have been more because you being part of property insurance also, you have some portion of your coverage in a property insurance, and long-term rules kick in the property insurance from 1st of October, where IRD has mandated that calculation has to be done every year. So according to you, how much that long-term rules impacted you, and without the long-term, how much growth you could have achieved it?
Anurag, this year, 24-25, our gross written premium has gone up by 11.4%. Industry has gone up by around 6%. And if what you are saying very clearly that we have a lot of home loan segment, home insurance with us, so if it would not have been 1 by n impact would not have been there, our growth would have been 14.7%. So it is good growth compared to industry also, and I am very happy to share that we have improved our profitability. It has gone more than doubled from the last year. Our loss ratio has come down by approximately 4%. So we are on the right track. We hope this year it will continue.
So you have a sizable portion in health insurance segment also, and now a lot of initiative taken by insurance industry in health insurance space, which one of them is the common empanelment. So how your company is moving ahead with the common empanelment, and recently there are a lot of hue and cry about the senior citizen premium also. So any kind of initiatives or efforts you have taken so senior citizen doesn't get under the burden of rising insurance premium?
As far as common empanelment is there, mainly GI Council is working on it. They are in touch with most of the hospitals, and we hope that if common empanelment is successful and hospitals and insurance companies and the customers can become on the same portal with same kind of rates, that will be good for the industry, for insurance industry also, hospital industry also. But this work has been taken by the GI Council. They are in touch with the various hospitals. We and our side, we are a large number of hospital network, around 17,000 hospitals are our network. We also have our in-house TPA to take care of customers, the patient there. So we are fully aligned with what regulator has said, common empanelment. At the same time, we also want to make sure that premiums, what you said, that it shouldn't go up. We have taken care, although you know that the medical inflation is quite high, but we have taken care of this side of the story.
Have you taken any hike recently in a health insurance side? Because there are other companies, they have increased premium by 10, 12, 15%. Large PSU insurers have also increased premium. So any kind of hike in health insurance segment you have taken due to the medical inflation?
No, we have not taken any kind of hike this year, but maybe going forward when we will enter into the next year, maybe in some of the products we can align with the medical inflation. Right now we are coming with new kind of products which is giving better coverage to the customers. Also we are taking care of under-penetrated areas. What we are doing that we have recruited around 1,000 health champions. Some of them are fresh, all of them are fresh, some of them from the direct from colleges, and some of them we have taken from the apprentices, the skill development, the government skill development program. So large number of people only going to sell health insurance, and also we are opening 30 new branches into under-penetrated areas in first quarter, which will be focused only for the health insurance, especially in those areas which is till now not been covered by in the general insurance industry. Health insurance being the major part, and as government and IRDA, everybody is wanted to increase the penetration. Our penetration is less than 1% of GDP. I think there is huge amount of opportunity to improve the health insurance business across the Bharat, I can say, in the each and every corner. The first part, we are opening 30 branches into Telangana and Andhra.
SBI General is dedicated to contribute in increasing the penetration of health insurance.
Yes, not only health insurance, I can share you that we are mainly focused to increase the number of people getting covered. The number of policies in our SBI General, it is around 3.5 crore in 1 year. Which you look at the complete general insurance industry, it is a much bigger share than the premium what we are contributing to the industry. So our focus remains on a smaller ticket size increase in penetration across India, taking help from the SBI branches also, and also through our own penetration by agents or through the various other intermediaries. So that is our focus. Health insurance growth last year was 19%. We improved our market share by 25 basis point in health insurance. So it remains health insurance, motor, fire, engineering. These remains our major focus areas of growth.
You spoke about the motor. So how challenging is presently the motor insurance segment is there, because the third party premiums are not revised in last 2 years, and I believe there is a demand of industry to have a increase of at least 20 to 25% in motor TP. So how big pressure is there on SBI General to have a immediate revision in motor third party premiums?
Rightly said, Anurag. Basically, the third party claim depends on the income of the individual who is affected. And as India is a growth story, all of us know the kind of GDP growth in India, what is happening, the per capita income moving up. Obviously, the claim size is going to move up in a, I think, in a much multiple than what the TP premium has been. So it has been demand from the industry that third party premium should move up. Again, government is going to consider depending on lot of if
So
it is going to
demand is there? Can you give us a ballpark figure that how much industry is demanding for an upward revision in motor third party premium?
no such clear cut number has been quoted, but
Ballpark
industry.
figure, a range, a double digit or single digit.
I seriously say that I am not aware exactly any ballpark figure, but it is the demand of industry that third party premium should be revised, looking at the kind of, as I say, the income is moving up, the claim size is also moving up. So it is, we are demanding this, and we hope that it will be considered.
Okay, my last question would be related to the Bankassurance channel, because major part of your premium come through the Bankassurance, and that also through your promoter bank, State Bank of India. There are few reports going on that IRDA may consider from commission model to the fee model. So do you think that will have a major impact on your business, and can you share us how much of your business come through the Banka channel?
You will be surprised to know that my total, out of our total premium, only 19% comes from SBI.
Only 19%.
Only 19%. So it is good. It is very good that we get the patronage from our parent organization. But at the same time, as a company, we are growing in each and every area, whether it is Banka, whether it is OEM, whether it is agency, whether it is crop, whether it is KRG. Every area we are focused. Every LOB we have a very clear-cut strategy to move up. Banka channel is one of the very good channel, as if you look at the country's population, more than 1/3 is SBI customers. Yes. So we cannot leave them. And Banka, we are by the using the Banka channel, we are using to increase the penetration. That is our main aim. Generally, it is like health insurance or personal accidental insurance. These are the major products which is being sold in Banka, which is again in line with the government's vision of insurance for all. We try to put that product, need-based selling in the Banka channel, and not only SBI, other banks also where we are having presence. But this is going to help industry and obviously SBI General. but it is only 19%. Still 81% of the business comes from out of SBI Bank.
Thank you so much, sir. It was pleasure talking to you. Thank you for your time for ET Now, sir.
Thank you very much, Anurag. Thank you very much.